Do you like to write? Have you always liked writing? Do you do it in your spare time? Do you consider yourself a good writer? Did you know you could be selling your writing skills online as a freelance writer and easily making a couple $1,000s per month right out of the starting gates? Hi guys, my name is Alex Fasulo. I have been freelance writing for nearly 8 years. I got my start on a site called Fiverr, which is free to sign up on. I will ghostwrite an ebook for you, which is when a writer creates a piece of writing and the buyer claims it as their own. Ghostwriting pays a ton of money because you are transferring the ownership of the writing over to the client. When I was just starting out, charging only $25 for a 500-word blog post, I could do 2 of those in an hour. Very quickly, I was making $300 to $400 per day, only working like 4 hours. You guys check my social media, you'll see I've traveled all over the world while I've been doing this, and I now have hired a team actually to manage it for me. So whether you want to do the writing or eventually hand it over to a team, do not sleep on freelance writing. I am not kidding when I say it can make you a lot of money. Follow for more tips.